Hello kids, do you know how many moons does each planet have? Let's see. We have 8 planets in our solar system. First is Mercury, second is Venus, third is Earth, fourth is Mars, fifth is Jupiter, sixth is Saturn, seventh is Uranus, eighth is Neptune. Mercury has 0 moon. Venus is also has 0 moon. Earth has 1 moon. Mars has 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos. Jupiter has 95 moons. Saturn has 146 moons. Uranus has 28 moons. Neptune has 16 moons. Mercury 0 moon, Venus 0 moon, Earth 1 moon, Mars 2 moons, Jupiter 95 moons, Saturn 146 moons, Uranus 28 moons, Neptune 16 moons. Quiz time. Which planet has most moons? Answer is Saturn. Saturn has 146 moons. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.